Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your team's app is up to date and that you have permission to change backgrounds. Once done, join the meeting or open the pre-join screen. Make sure your camera is on. You then open background effects from the right pane and scan the built-in gallery for a quick match. You should hover over options to preview. If you need a custom image, prepare a JPG or PNG that fits 16:9 ratio before uploading. You now refine the look. Upload a custom JPG or PNG that matches your framing, or choose a preset virtual background. Once uploaded, position yourself within the camera frame and toggle blur to balance privacy versus legibility. Make sure lighting is even. If side light creates shadows, move a lamp or change camera angle. You should preview in the meeting view to verify edges, then apply the background for all participants. You finish by applying the chosen background for the current meeting or set it as your default for all meetings. Click Apply and confirm your camera feed looks natural. Once done, test in a short call to check motion, edge detection, and any performance impact. If the background fails or appears pixelated, update your GPU drivers, restart Teams, or clear Teams cache. These steps usually resolve glitches. If problems persist, switch to blur temporarily and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.